Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the move command that allows you to rename files or move them from one place in the file system to another, or even to do both things at the same time. In its simplest form, we'd rename a file like this. Nothing else but the name will change about the file, not the permissions or the content. To move a file to another location, assume you're currently in the directory in which the file is located. You would do something like this. And now we've moved myfile.old to temp and renamed it myfile. Now, file permissions and file ownership don't change, just where the file is located. You can move a file into your home directory as easily as you can move files out of it. And here's an example. I'm going to go put it right here, which means move it into my current directory, which is my home directory. You can also move many files at once if you use commands like this. So we use a wildcard, so all of these files with the zip extension, and I'm going to move them into my home directory, but in the backups folder. And if I look at backups right now, you see there's a bunch of files that are there. Well, that is your Linux tip for the move command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IGG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.